this tutorial, we will learn how to upload a custom map to the Locatify Builder. First, log into your account, go to your project and click on Maps Points. To upload a map, click on the Custom Map tool. Select one of your existing project or create a new one. The custom map should keep the same proportions as the original map and will be overlaid on top of the Google and Apple Maps on the phone. Upload your custom map from the Media Manager. Use a JPEG file. The common resolution is about 4000 by 4000 pixels. To precisely overlay the map, zoom in and out, select the opacity tool, and reduce or enlarge the custom map corners to adjust it onto the Google map. The custom map should only cover an area of up to 1.5 square kilometers, or else the file will be too heavy to publish. In the app, the underlying Google/Apple map will become visible if the user zooms into the area where the custom map is located. When satisfied, press on OK. You can then add your points and move on to other settings and features. And voila, you now know how to upload a custom map.